Just put a little toothpaste on the soap, and you'll be surprised by the result. This is a little-known trick that many hotels and inns won't tell you. And the best part is that it's super simple to do. All you need is a bar of soap, the one you already use in the bathroom. Choose the one you like the most. Just make sure it's one that you actually enjoy. With a grater, grate the entire bar of soap until it's finely shredded. Once you've fully grated the soap, take a tube of toothpaste and squeeze about a tablespoon onto the soap. Any kind of toothpaste works, whether it's white, black, or colored. Here, I'm using a completely white one. Next, add a little refined salt. About 2 tablespoons will be enough. The salt helps neutralize and eliminate unwanted odors, enhances the aroma of the soap and toothpaste, and eliminates bacteria that might be on the toilet lid. After mixing everything, stir well with your hands. Mix until you get a smooth, consistent texture. Doing this with your hands is much more practical and faster. The result should be a very thick paste. Now, the next step is to divide the mixture into small portions and shape them into little balls. For this, we'll need a small piece of aluminum foil. Something small like this will be enough. You'll be amazed by the effect of this mixture. It's truly something incredible. Wrap each of the balls in aluminum foil, as I'm showing. Repeat the process for all the balls we made with our mixture. I'm sure your guests will want to know how your bathroom stays so fresh and clean. Since I started using this technique, everyone who comes to my house asks what my trick is to keep the bathroom always smelling nice. So don't be surprised if your visitors ask you what the secret is to keeping the bathroom and house so fragrant. After wrapping all the balls, take a fork or skewer and make a few holes in each ball. This is the secret for the trick to work. This simple trick not only saves money, but also brings incredible benefits to your cleaning routine. In summary, this solution is amazing and will bring fantastic results to your home. Tell me, had you ever known a trick like this? I'm sure you'll love trying it at home. And feel free to tell me what city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a special greeting. Done! Our refreshing bathroom balls are ready and will leave your space smelling amazing. Just like in a luxury hotel, using these balls is very easy. All you need to do is open the toilet tank and place one of the balls inside. Now, just flush the toilet and enjoy the freshness and effectiveness of this formula. Many luxury hotels use this trick but don't share it because it's extremely economical and easy to make. I'm sure your bathroom will never smell bad again. I hope you liked this easy and affordable tip.